ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Man of Valor Hunting Channel. Today, we are going to be smoking some pig feet. Yes, you heard it correctly, pig feet, a soul food favorite. Alright, so if you would take a look down here, yes, right here, I have two pans here. So what we're going to do, we're going to take that right there. Already pre-washed and everything. I took care of all that before the video. Save you a little time on that one. So I'm gonna take these pig feet, I'm gonna get them emptied into this pan. Then we're gonna put some water with them, put our seasonings over them, and we're gonna leave them uncovered on the pig. And then we're gonna just let it go low and slow. And then we'll take it off halfway, cover it up, and get it going. Let's check it out. We're gonna try to half and half it so we can cut our cook time down. Alright, that's about good for that pan. Let's get our other one. Bring our bag right here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let me get my hands washed so I can go ahead and get my seasonings on. Be right back. All right, let's get this in the pit. Let's get a good cook on it so we can go low and slow and get it good and tender. Here we go. We are about 3 hours into our cook, so we're going to get it wrapped. All right, that's gonna get your tenderizing. That's gonna keep it going for you. Lock some of that heat in, and we're gonna be great. Here we go. Let's get it.
It is morning time, and these smoked pig feet are done. So we're going to get these things off the pit. We're gonna have to try them out. I don't mind you going in early. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're definitely gonna have to take these inside. Get a little taste of them.
Here we go, finished product. Now it's time for the good part, the taste testing. Need I say more? This is the Man of Valor Hunting Channel. Like, subscribe, comment. Catch you next time. Have a great day. Wait, forgot my plate.